Hello everyone, T-Mobile 5G home internet keeps dropping or disconnecting. Here's a quick guide to fix it and stay connected. Let's get started. Restart the gateway by pressing the reset button, hold for 3 to 4 seconds or via the T-Mobile app. Prevent overheating by placing it in a wall ventilated area or using a cooling fan. If issue persists, contact support for a replacement. Why T-Mobile 5G gateway keeps restarting, rebooting? Overheating common in older gateways like SAGFAST 5688W. Faulty hardware, power adapter or internal components, power fluctuations from unstable outlets or stripes. Fix one, use the original power cord and check connections. Always use the original power cord that came with your T-Mobile 5G gateway, as third party or incompatible cords might not deliver the correct voltage or current, leading to power issues. Ensure the power cord is firmly connected both to the gateway's power port and a working electrical outlet. Loose or improper connections can prevent the device from powering on or cause intermittent power loss. Fix to check power supply. Plug the gateway directly into the wall outlet, not a power stripe. To ensure stable power, test with a compatible 15-volt or 2.5 ampere USB-C charger if available, rarely needed but may resolve power-related issues. Fix 3, check for overheating. Ensure the gateway is placed in a wall-ventilated area away from heat sources and enclosed spaces. Excessive heat can activate safety features that cause the device to shut down or restart to avoid damage. If this occurs, unplug the gateway and let it cool for at least 2 hours before turning it back on. If the device feels hot or shows signs of overheating, relocate it to a cooler spot. Continued overheating may signal a hardware issue that could require a replacement. Fix 4, inspect for hardware issues. Examine the power adapter and cable for any visible damage or wear. Try using a different compatible power adapter if available. Check the gateway itself for any signs of physical damage. If the device appears damaged, it may need to be replaced. Fix 5, factory reset the adapter. If the issue with your T-Mobile gateway is caused by a software problem, resetting the device can resolve it because a reset restores the gateway to its original factory settings, removing any temporary bugs, glitches, or misconfiguration that may be causing the malfunction. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button, usually found at the back of the device, until the screen count reaches 0 and release. Wait for the device to reboot automatically. Be aware this will erase all custom settings and you will need to reconfigure your gateway. Fix 6, replace the device. Contact T-Mobile customer support at 1-800-937-8997 to request a warranty replacement, especially if using the SAG Fast 5688W model known to have defects. Opt for an Arcadine gateway or if possible. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.